We're back again with another Colourpop collection. Today, I'm really excited to share with you guys the Alice in Wonderland collections. It's thanks to you guys that I'm able to receive these PR packages. Just because you clicked on today's videos and you guys show up for me to watch my videos, that's why I receive PR. So I'm just very grateful for you guys. I enjoy what I do and I enjoy doing makeup tutorials and all of that. So let's go ahead and get this video started off with giving it a thumbs up. It helps my video be boosted in the algorithm so that more people can find me. I'm Tracy, by the way, just in case it's your first time watching me. So the style I'm going to be doing for this video, I'm going to take you guys through the entire collection and then we'll jump into a tutorial using all the products. I will be taking you guys through everything because the packaging is adorable. I'm obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. It's probably my favorite movie, Disney movie of all time. I also do want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel before we get started and turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I have a new video here on my channel. I'm here for you guys with every single Colourpop collection, so you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. Let's go ahead and jump into today's review.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, instead of alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Alright guys, so this here is the entire Alice in Wonderland collection. The packaging is everything. Look at everything here. Okay, let's get started with this here. Here is the Fourth Ray Birthday Cake Overnight Lip Mask. Let me get it out of the packaging, but first, let's really look at the packaging. The details, holographic. This is the Pure Madness Overnight Lip Mask. And I'm going to get it opened up for you guys. So here it is. This is the lip mask. You take it out. And it's a little mushroom. Look how cute. I've definitely already dipped in there. But this lip mask also comes with two lip applicators. And one of them has the packaging, the other one is ready for use. It is a silicone applicator so that you can apply some of this lip mask onto your lips. Moving on to the next item in the collection, here we have the Colourpop Alice in Wonderland One Pocket Hairbrush. Look how cute, it has a little clock right there. And a little rabbit. The top of it, let's read it. It says, "Oh, my fur and whiskers." Once removed from the packaging, here is the brush. It has a keychain so you can keep it on your keys. Compact. You open it up. And it has a mirror. And you also have your brush. Look at that. This is so adorable. Close it up. Yep, I'm putting this on my keychain for sure. With all of my keys. Love that. Okay, let's take this out of the way and move on to these two right here. These are the Luxe Lipstick. It's a lip duo, so you get a lip gloss and a lipstick in both of them. This is the one I'm going to be using in today's video because the other one is red and I don't like red. Let me get it open, hold on. By the way, this one is the Topsy Turvy Lip Duo, and here they are. It has a lip gloss. It's really iridescent. And I'm not going to swatch these for you only because you guys already seen it in the intro. I'm wearing both of them. And yeah, you guys will see me using these in action in today's tutorial. But this is what the components look like. Now let me show you some swatches of this one here. Anyway, this one is Queen of Hearts. And here is what the packaging looks like. Let me get this one opened up. This lip gloss looks so pretty though. I really wanted to use this duo only for that lip gloss, but the lipstick is red. So here are the swatches of both of those. Look at that gloss, yes. Really pretty. But yeah, that's the swatches of that one. Then moving along to the eyeshadow palette. This is the pressed powder palette. It's called Lost in Wonderland eyeshadow palette. It has a keyhole and you can see Alice right there. But if you take it out of this packaging, here we have the front of the palette. Lost in Wonderland. Turning it over, you have Cashmere Cat right there, and you have all of the eyeshadow names on the back, but they're also inside of the palette, which I love. No mirror, unfortunately. Look at the details. Really pretty eyeshadow shades. I think they're perfect for spring. Let me show you guys 5 swatches on my finger. No, you know what? We're going to be using a majority of these eyeshadows, but the ones that I did not use, I'll definitely swatch them for you. So I definitely did not use this one. This one is kind of like the Super Shock Shadows. That's the same formula. Look at that. Very, very buttery. And then we did not use this one. So let me show you that one. It's a matte, but it also has like shimmer to it. So yeah. Can you guys see it good? I don't know. And then this one we didn't use either. That's what that one looks like. And then we also didn't use this one right here. This one definitely looks really pretty. It feels really buttery. And that's what that one looks like. Should I do one on the... No, I used every other eyeshadow, yeah. So these are the only 4 that I did not use in today's tutorial. The rest I definitely used. I try to use as many as possible. I'm going to go wash my hands now before I stain anything. So that is it for the eyeshadow, and then we have a total of 2 blushes inside of this collection. The first blush is called Oh Dear. And let's look at the packaging for this. Another keyhole. I don't like how it wasn't centered with the images of the actual blush. Let me get this taken out. Alright, so this is the blush. You have Alice inside of the little jar. And the doorknob. On the back, it says, Oh Dear. And then let me get this opened up. This is the one I did not use because it's a little too pink, and I feel like it didn't complement my skin color as much as the other one. I mean, definitely it'll work for me, but I just like the other one better. On the inside, it says, Time can be funny in dreams. That's cute. And then this one is the one I used. This is called Silence. And here you have the Queen of Hearts in the middle of the heart. Let me get this opened up. Here you have the blush. Let me open this. Hold on. I can only do it with one hand. I'm holding my camera with the other one. Alright, and this is my kind of blush. This is my kind of color. Look at that. On the inside it says, Oh, with... Oh, wait, hold on. It says off. Off with their heads. Yes. Beautiful. And then last but not least, in this collection, we have a total of 3 shadow sticks. I used one of them in today's video, so I'm not going to swatch that one. I don't know if it's this one or not. Let me get them taken out. Hold on. Oh, they're not even in here. They're already taken out. I got them over here. Hold on. They're right here. So these are the shadow sticks and what they look like. I'm not going to swatch this one because this is the one I used on my eyes, so you guys will see it. You guys will see this in action shortly. I'm going to swatch these 2 here for you. Oh, by the way, this one, the one that I am wearing on my eyes today, this one is called Full of Wonder. Okay, so this color right here is called Not All There. And you guys can see it right there. Hold on. It is metallic. The green one is called Care for Tea. Not All There and Care for Tea. Beautiful shades. You know what? Let me swatch the other one. Let me just swatch it anyway. Okay, that one is called Full of Wonder. Let me see. Let me get a good angle. Full of Wonder. Look at that. That is such a pretty shade. But yeah, that is it for this collection. We are going to go ahead and jump into a tutorial using all of these products now. Let's go ahead and get some of this Fourth Ray Beauty Birthday Cake Overnight Lip Mask on, just to hydrate the lips as we're doing our makeup. How cute. It says, "Who are you?" And we're taking the little applicator, going in there and grabbing some of that product. What's that taste like? By the way, this is a little silicone applicator that I'm using. It's easy to clean off. I'm cleaning it off right now with a makeup towel. It's infused with squalene and shea butter, and it's birthday cake flavor. That's the flavor that I was thinking. Definitely tastes like birthday cake. Now it's time to go in with this eyeshadow palette. Let me get some eye primer on. Today we're going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. Let me get it all over the eye. I actually had freaking concealer. Damn it. I should have just left it like that. And I'm not sure what we're doing today. I kind of want to play with the greens and the blues. I think that that's today's vibe. I'm picking up the color Mad Tea Party. And I'm also taking a Sigma E27 eyeshadow brush, and we're going to be applying it at this beginning portion of the eye. This color is a pastel color as I anticipated, so I'm pretty happy with how this is looking so far. And it's blending out super easy. I'm really trying to build up on the pigment. As you guys can see, I'm going in with more and more eyeshadow. Definitely a buildable color. The next color I'm taking is this one called That Way, and it's like a brownish gray color. We'll see how it looks on the eye. For this, I'm taking the Morphe M456 eyeshadow brush. We're applying it to the outer corner, and then slowly we're going to begin to work our way up. I am taking a fluffier brush, and the same color, I'm going to start to work the outer edges and outer corner of the eye, just so that we have a beautiful transition. And I almost want to take this color here called Talking Flowers to apply it to the outer corner of the eye. I think that'll look really nice. We'll see. We're using the same exact fluffy brush to do so. To soften up this inner corner right here, I want to take the color That's Logic, and it's this peachy skin tone like color. This color, I'm going to use the Abby Roberts 201 Morphe brush. So we're going to apply it to the inner corner right there to really soften up everything. That looks really pretty. Let me go in with Mad Tea Party again and blend a little bit better, transitioning into that darker shade at the outer corner. I really want to use this color here called Down the Rabbit Hole. It's a beautiful baby blue shimmer. We have to be careful with shimmers because we already have our foundation on, so I'm going to spray this. Hold on. Let me get this on there. I think I might have sprayed it a little too much. I want you guys to take a good look. I'm rounding it off to the shape of my eye, creating a cut crease effect using this eyeshadow. And because the brush is wet and flat, it makes it really easy to do this. This brush does not have a number on it. It is a set from the from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I also have a discount code with them, which I'll have linked down below in the description box. And now to get more intensity on that color, I'm going to take my finger and just apply it over what we just did. It's going to make it a little bit more on the shimmery side. But that's not it. We're going to take the color Stark Raving Mad, and we're using the same brush. Use a flat brush like this. Okay, we're going to be placing it right next to that shade that we just used. And I also want to spray this one because I just don't want any fallout on my face makeup because the face is looking really good right now. We're going to be placing it right next to the other one and slowly working our way to the center. And once again, taking my finger and just overlapping the placement of the eyeshadow that we just did. I'm going to go in with the brush again just so that we have a really good mesh between the two colors. Like, you want to make sure it's really blended. So going back into that way, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corners to soften up that shimmer that we just used. Now that we've done that, I'm going to take one of these shadow sticks. This is the Colourpop shadow stick in the color Full of Wonder. Oh, it has a sharpener at the bottom. I didn't even realize that. So we're applying that to the waterline. I'm going to be grabbing this black shade. It's a shimmer black shade, so hopefully it works out for us. It's called Nothing's Impossible. We're going to be applying it along the lash line right here. Black shades with shimmer intimidate me so much, but we're making it work here. So I'm just darkening up that outer corner like so, and then taking this brush here. This is the Morphe M456 brush, and taking this color once again to soften that up a little bit more. Ooh, I just got an idea. Because this part right here is lilac, I'm going to take another color. I'm using as many colors as possible. We're taking this color called Very Merry Unbirthday. We're going to highlight the brow bone with this color. Oh my god. That is beautiful. The woman was too stunned to speak. We're on to something today. I'm having a good makeup day. I'm going to take a pencil brush. This here is the E30 brush, and I also want to take another shimmer shade. This one is called IEIOU. It's a dark purple shimmer. And with the pencil brush, we're diving in there, and I'm also, oh shit, I'm going to dive my nail into the freaking palette. I'm also going to spray this brush with my spit. Apply it to the lower lash line right here. I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off of camera. I'm going to apply some lashes, some mascara, and then we have a few other products that I have to play with. Now time for blush. We're going to use the color Silence, and this one I think complements my skin color the best. It is on the brighter side and it might look a little intimidating, but we're going to go in very light-handed with a brush. This one here is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH17 brush. We're going to dip in there. Tap, tap, and let's see what this looks like. I like that. That looks really pretty. Okay, now let's do this other side. And go up here. Kind of looks a little more intense. Put it on my temples as well, because why not? Temples up here. Let me get my powder brush and soften this up because I did go in a little bit too heavy-handed on this side. The lip color duo that I decided on is the Topsy Turvy Lip Duo, and that consists of a pink lipstick. This is in the color Most Curious. Let's go in there. That is definitely a summer shade. I can see myself using this, just not in this time of year. Actually, maybe. And then I'm going to take this gloss here. This is the Total Nonsense gloss. Actually, this is a lip, yeah, it is a lip gloss. I'm going to go in there with the gloss now, just to finish up this look. And that is a tutorial using the Alice in Wonderland Colourpop collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you guys give my video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel because I'm always here for you guys to share the latest launches from Colourpop, such as this one right here. I will leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.